so you made it through the holidays. No zombies got you, that's a plus, but now you have a refrigerator full of all these little containers filled with leftovers. Well, what do you do with everything? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how I make a vegan Thanksgiving leftovers pizza.
Cooking with the vegan zombie.
So we're going to take that dough that I showed you how to make for the rolls, and we're going to roll that out. Just like we did in several other videos. We're going to roll it out in a circle to make an actual pizza this time. Leftover pizzas are awesome because you can pretty much put whatever you want on it. I have my oven preheated at 430 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, once you get a nice roll, you grab your pizza tray, pizza sheet. Now, we don't want this to stick to the pan, so you're going to either have to put a little bit of oil or some cornmeal or flour at the bottom. And you can either just throw it on here however it lands, or you can make it all nice into a circle like I'm doing right here with a nice little crust. You can actually save a step here by buying one of those tubes of Crescent rolled doughs at the store. I just wanted to show you how to make your own. This way it doesn't have all those extra ingredients in it, no palm oil, and it's just as good. The next thing we're going to do is I have some vegan gravy. We're going to pour that down in there. And I do have a video, it's a little bit older, but we make gravy in one of our videos. So if you want to know how to make your own gravy, go check that out. And we need to spread this around as if this was the pizza sauce. Next, I have some mashed taters on the pizza. I don't like to make it too thick, so I'll just put some mashed taters down in a few different places and just try to cover most of the pizza. Okay, we now have the mashed taters on there, as you can see. Got some parsley, gonna put the parsley on there, dried parsley. Now, depending on what roast you have in your refrigerator, I have the tofurky here. Anybody else have tofurky for Thanksgiving? And I am just going to take this already cooked tofurky and I'm just gonna cut it into little cubes. And I'm just gonna take that, and of course you guessed it, we're just gonna sprinkle it right on top of that pizza. Already it's looking quite delicious. All right, and some of the cheddar, this is a Good Planet cheddar. Use whatever vegan cheddar you have, or whatever vegan cheese you have. You can use mozzarella, whatever. I'm gonna put cheddar on here. Just sprinkle it on, just like that. And now I got some cranberries that I made into some cranberry sauce. And I'm just gonna put a little bit in there just to pop those colors. And again, you can put whatever you want on yours. If you would reheat it and eat it, then why not throw them on a pizza? And then last but not least, remember last week when I made that vegan bacon? We have vegan bacon bits. We're gonna put those on there as well. So now we got a bacon cheddar leftover pizza with some tofurky, gravy, mashed potatoes, and cranberries. And you can go a step further and brush the crust if you want, like I do in most of my pizza videos. But I think that looks good like that. We're gonna put it in the oven now and see how it cooks, probably 12 to 15 minutes. Smells like Thanksgiving all over again. There you have it. Pizza is served. I think this pizza looks delicious. Let's find out how it tastes. Crust came out nice and brown on the bottom. Let me get a part with the cranberry. This is delicious. Crust came out perfect. All these flavors kind of, I got a pup right here. This is a pup. He smells food. All of these flavors kind of complement each other. It's perfect. You could even go ahead and put some more gravy on it if you wanted. This came out great. This is a very simple, quick recipe. Grab your leftovers in the refrigerator, throw it on the pizza dough, put it in the oven, nothing goes to waste. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you liked the series. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell so you don't miss notifications. Watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys soon. All right, this is my slice of pizza. You guys can split the rest. Cooking with the vegan zombie, blah 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 blah.